As they do now, and so they do me too. All of us, they hear me. So please, face your problem, I face my own. I'm here to help you. The country hard. So when they call comedian, you ginger. So we too go ginger to solve your problem. Now, I will go back now. See, I'm not begging you. Evans is from Anambra State, in case you don't know. I'm from Anambra State. Evans is from Nnewi, in case you don't know. I am from Nnewi. So if by chance this show no go well, I'm gonna lock you guys up, man. So yo, I gonna go back now. I'm gonna come back here, man. Guys, you gonna make some noise, alright? Yo. Abuja, make some noise.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Anambra, in Nnewi, a relative of Evans. Give it up for Funny Boat.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Nigerians, una can fear small Evans. You know, say now people when they bear down them now Evans now, they want people, hey, don't call me Evans. Hey, don't try it. My name is Evangelist. Why are you calling me Evans? Where I know say that guy don't blow now when police they take selfie with Evans. Stay well. We're all the same. Evans don't blow now. You know say if Evans drops single now, he go take. Una know? But man, that guy get mind. What? You go kidnap person, lock him up for months, take him away. A guy get mind. I say person pay him $1 million. And we did hear the crack joke. So as I did now, if I hold, how much you now? If I go hold $1 million. I'm watching you. Well, I'm Igbo. I say it proudly, I'm Igbo. Yes, you don't know. From Anambra. And the funny thing is, funny enough, Evans is from my place. So since, no true, yeah, it's sad. But we can't deny him. It's our, because he built house for village. Our king almost gave a title last week. So you guys ruined the title. You know, but thing is here, you know, good. You know, batting. Evans no try. You know, kidnapping no good. So we condemn it vehemently. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's not okay. You know, but you know, this thing not be Igbo thing. Because now people shall say, Igbo people, they are greedy. No. We not start them. This thing, now, them south to start them. Will they watch you now? See, Igbos, all we do is to amplify. You start, we add volume, make it bigger. We did it our own. Una begin kidnap Oyibo. Collect 50, collect 100, 2 million. Igbos, they look. No wonder. Nda the door. Nda the door, man. Get what it has. We watch you now. On our face, pass. We enter. Amplify him. So tell for family we get money, firstborn they kidnap himself. They call him mother, mommy. To collect money. So yo, kidnapping no be Igbo thing. When I start them, we follow. Even when they throw this, we they watch you now. Say, nah, man. Not to go, man. Yem to bomb there. I'm bomb on there. We know they start to, but once when I start, follow up. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for this man. This man gave me my first platform, took me abroad. Make some noise for G-Los Abu. Daddy, I love you, sir. Good man, good man. This man picked me up when I was small. I was 16. Took me abroad. Who don't go abroad there at that age? Nobody. But you know, for you to follow this man travel, you need to hear, you need to listen. Because they give you, they inform you on the spot. You know, say to get visa, not to go abroad. Visa na 1. Port of entry na 2. And they tell you now. So if you get visa, no, they announce them yet to. If you no enter inside. So wait until you don't cross port of entry, enter, finish. Then you start the make call. 2009, in Carriers go. I don't talk my age, it's time now. Now I get to say this boy is really young. I'm young here. Here I'm young, but believe me, I'm old. Okay. Here I'm young, but hey, no go there. So you can say, if they ask you what you're doing in the UK, tell them you came for show. If they ask you whether they pay you, say no. Are you hearing me? I say yes. And if you know Julius well, in talk, you they hear me? Let me say you go there. If they tell you, will you tell them say you not come to work? Oh, they will repatriate you. Do you understand me? You say yes, sir. Meanwhile, we plenty. Myself, Osama, Senator. Now Osama get problem. Osama, you get phobia for Igbo. As we dey line, now Osama starts. Funny. You sure I go make him? I say you go make him. Get faith, you go make him enter. So, Julius' elder sister, now born again. To her, God they open every door. So she did our back with a here, Holy Ghost. Take control. Jesus, have your way. Daddy, clear the road. So she don't talk at night or some turn. Say, auntie, thank God to clear my road. Now she answered them, Osama, don't look at me. These guys have cameras everywhere. Face your front. See where Osama they talk in still motion. So waiting I go tell them say I can't do here. Say Osama, you're on your own, no. I don't follow you come. Nice. So from London we enter US. The same tour. You know, it's your first time abroad. You go London, go US. Damn, man. I was pumping, me. Look at me. But for US, the other guy who follow us go, Senator. Any room, any hotel where we stay, if you want to check out, you go tip towel. If you want to check out, you go tip towel. We never finish store. Julius never pay us. But Senator bag. They increase. Our bag, they normal. I say, waiting there. I be in the shop for our bag. No. I can't tell you. I say, okay. Senator, the tip towel. Julius tear. What? You are tipping towel? Then we arrest you. Then we arrest you here. Let me see the towel. Wow. It's really stuff too. Tip 2 for me.
Welcome to Africa.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Julius Ago, man. Once I see you. Yeah. And I also see Shago Arinze. This man paid me my first 100K as comedian. Shago, bless you. I see you. Bless you, sir. First 100K. Yeah. You know what it means to meet that time as small. So to meet Shago, let's say I meet Oracle. You know, no, that's where they see for TV, where they keep people. You come meet them one-on-one. It was a very pragmatic meeting. But I was impressed I met him. Thank you, sir. FRS, bless you guys. Please, Nigerians, truth is, we need to pay our tax to better our lot. Trust me. You know, say London not get anything. UK not get anything. Now tax, they survive the country. So if me and you pay our tax, our country will be a better place. Thank you guys. Now back to the business. Let me tell you something. For this life, only you don't figure everything. Now lie. Shego way here. It's a bit. He get voice. Shego command of English, they impeccable. Oh. Am I making sense? Only you not figure everything. No. Julius Abu here is a good dancer. How does he dance? We're going to do. He's a good dancer. Graduate. Theater arts. Intelligent. You get 2-1 in case you don't know. From there, he go UK. Do masters for film school. See him. But he's there. There's no, he's just, and he's okay. Only you. Don't forget everything. Woman, we get front, no get back. Woman, we get back, no get front. Woman, we get front, get back, no get sense. Only you cannot have everything. Something must be lacking. Am I making sense? That's life for you. No, that's life for you. Me, we're there here now. I try. For face, I try. For I dey manage. But even a why? You get money. Your balance. You dey shoot film. Show them fool. But he married late. Only you. Not forget everything, no. It's not possible. Something must they miss. That's what I'm saying. Man, I changed the joke before they go off mic. Now, before I run, my dad was a driver. There are no jokes. Driver. Somebody do, now your father. I don't understand. Why are you doing for my dad? Is he your father? Did I complain to you? I beg you money. No, my father. My dad is a driver. He did drive for Chisco Motors back then. Now, Chisco, for those here where they enter night bus, because when I go to the farm, I don't do road. Yes. Some of you do road well here. Anybody wishing up for chair? Like this. Come do like this. In no road journey well. So watch them closely. Now my dad, they go this journey in best friend to my driver. So by virtue of that friendship, my dad, my mom, and that my dad's friend, wife, my best friends. Do you understand? Now this joke is in Igbo. So near who they hear Igbo. Near who they hear Igbo. FRS, locate Igbo people. Or else advance will locate you now. Now, my dad, they satisfy my mother well. My dad, they deliver. How I tell no, within one room. Now cut in share parlor and bedroom. So anything that where my father tied apart with my mother the same rapper, yo, it's getting down. And now so my mother forced us to sleep week. Oh my God, go to bed now. We know say it won't happen. So for morning we don't say, when I know so know what I do. We know you. That was clean. Now that my dad's friend, in wife tell my mother, ha, can you met him? Or they met Tomaka. What don't happen? He don't leave me. What they met Tomaka? Can you marry? In English, my husband. for night. You know they touch me. What I do? Help me talk to them. May he do me something. I'm his wife. And I did here. I was 7. I was young. For their mind. I don't hear anything. My mother called my dad. Why? Talk to your friend. His wife is complaining. He's starving her. She's hungry. Let him do his duties. Nahi Mariam. In Igbo. Kenem. Hello. You are white. Okay. You look like Evans. My mother called my husband. Said, take the husband. You know they touch your wife. My father called the friend. My friend, your wife they complain. Ide metiaka. Uronabane. Bienyaka. Ogenania. Swonyife. Ogenania. Swonye gogo. Awonyege. Tuwalenya. Tanyisi. Awonyege. In English, your wife they complain. For night, daughter. Turn around. Do your thing. Now your wife. And I did it. For their mind. I don't hear anything. The man verse. Tell my dad say. Wawunyem. What don't happen? Nde metiaka. Ode timbu. Ode timbu. Nto walanya. Ode timbu. Waya metiaka. Yane timbu. Mbua. Ona masim. In English. Tell my wife. For night, if I dey touch him, you know they shout. That shout is my pleasure. That shout is my joy. Make it shout, I go deliver. My father tell my mother, and I did here for their mind. I don't hear anything. My mother call her friend, Madam, see the problem. Your husband say, Oronabane, Obiegaka, he did it. One, what better gaka? Tiambu, Obiagaka, Tibimbu, Onyeg, Odigo, Yeeve. For night, if he touch you, shout! Now they marry you. Express yourself. You know when you oppress woman, the woman out of tears. Oh, Okwadim Simade Timpo, Okwanabania, even in the in English, he say, I know they shout, tonight, oh, this neighborhood, when I go hear my voice. And I did here for their mind. For night, the man never do anything to warrant shouting. The man never even start. The woman, couple, hey, ne sumife, Okwamade timbu. In English, good night. Thank you. Give and take. I see you guys. Bless, man. Bless you guys, man.